Here at Seeking the Magical, we like to have a laugh with Disney characters. Whether we approach characters with a punny take on their name or story, or we play off something about their outfit, we really love character interactions that are anything but the typical greeting, hug, and autograph book. As a result, we admit we've had an idea or two that really pushed the envelope. From asking Mickey to sign a real mousetrap, to seeing if Mickey, Minnie, Donald, or Daisy would paint for us, we don't shy away from odd requests. Spoiler alert on those, by the way, he did, and one of the 4 did, so check out our other videos to see those antics. Anyway, we just kind of had to do the same with Winnie the Pooh. I mean really, Winnie the Pooh. You know, as in every grade schooler's favorite emoji? Or maybe it's number 2. Wink, wink. I couldn't say, but I will say that Pooh didn't want to star in our emoji movie. So the next time I met him, I brought something to wipe up the mess, shall we say. Yes, we followed the Pooh emoji pillow up with toilet paper. Because why wouldn't we? I confess, I told a pretty obvious fib when asking him to sign it, but I'm fairly certain Pooh saw through the 2-ply and was in on the joke. Even if he didn't, there's no need to worry. After all we put Pooh through, we made sure to reward him with honey during our final meet and greet, so stay tuned for that. Also, if you're in need of some Pooh-inspired essentials, be certain to stick around to the end of the video to hear details about the giveaway we're hosting that's complete with a few necessities that are in high demand right now, along with the Pooh emoji pillow to hopefully bring a smile to your face when you need it most. All of you are doing that for us, so we want to say thanks and spread the love in return. We're incredibly grateful for the opportunity to share the magic of Disney with you, and we thank you so much for watching, subscribing to our channel, and liking this video. We really appreciate that feedback and support. Now, let's have fun with Pooh. I mean, Winnie the Pooh.
I'm really sorry. I got confused when they told me I was going to meet Pooh. But could you sign this for me anyway?
Yeah, so that idea was shut down really quickly. Pooh and the character attendant were very gracious about it though, and we in no way wanted to make anyone uncomfortable. We just wanted to have fun. As I said to the attendant at the time, I know several kids that text that more than anything else, so it seemed like an unusual but not inappropriate request. She definitely got that, so no harm, no foul, and we respected Pooh's decision. Of course, it did lead us to the next request, and my obvious fib.
Nice to see you. I wasn't expecting you right at that second. You startled me, but it's all good. How is your honey jar doing? Is it good and full? Oh, it's in your belly? So your honey jar is empty? Well, we need to get you some more honey. Good call. So I like, oh, no, that's not honey. That's coffee. Quite different. I know. Maybe there's some honey up there. Maybe? Oh yes, his math. I fixed his math for him.
I thought it was going to be a miserable time with her. She tried to teach me math.
It was very depressing, I'm sure.
She told me my fraction was wrong.
It is.
This actually means 1 2/3.
Yeah.
I don't know what that means, but she seems smart. So I believe it. So she made me a 1 2/3 new card piece.
Yes.
Yeah. She might make
you
it
gotta
a crop top.
think. Oh. Yeah. I love your crop top though. Yes. Yeah. Well, I like to eat honey too, but it gets really messy. So I always have tissues to clean it up. So I was wondering if you could sign my honey tissues. Does that work? Yay. And then we'll get you honey later. I wasn't gonna teach you math. Aw, thank you so much. Thank you, that's so nice of you. Now I'll be clean whenever I eat honey. Thank you. Mwah.
After that, we couldn't just leave Pooh all rumbly in his tummy with no honey. So we met him again at the Crystal Palace in Magic Kingdom and delivered the goods.
How's your day going? Good. Well, I brought you a little something to maybe make your day better. I brought you honey. Yay! It's shaped like a bear too, like you. It isn't a Winnie the Pooh bear, honey, but I couldn't find any of those. I looked. Is it gonna be yummy in your tummy? Nice. Honey's the best. Good call. I don't know how you keep your fur so clean when honey's so sticky. Just going to Pooh's Corner up there with the kids' waffles and everything, it's a complete sticky mess. Yeah, oh, wash your hands. Good. That's the way to do it. It is delicious though. We love it, but they need to make Pooh-shaped waffles. Why don't they have Pooh waffles? You have a beautiful mug. It should be on a waffle, you know? Yeah, that's what I say. So I was wondering, you can keep one, Honey Bear, and I was wondering if you would sign the other one. Is that cool? Yay, thank you very much. So you can sign wherever you want on the cap or wherever's good. Adorable, thank you so much. Thank you. I'll eat that one, you eat yours. Does that work? Perfect. What do you like to eat with honey, or just honey straight? Honey straight, yeah. Sometimes a little carb or whatever with it's good, but yeah. In tea, yeah. You can down that all probably easily in one sitting. Thank you so much. It was good to see you today. I like your parade too.
Aw, isn't he just the sweetest? It must be all that honey. He clearly enjoyed the small smackerel from the honey bear, and we hope you did too. Just like Pooh with honey, we all have needs that are proving somewhat challenging to fulfill right now. While there are so many worthy and critical causes that we're working hard to support, we haven't forgotten about you, the awesome Disney community. As a token of our appreciation, we're holding a giveaway featuring some items inspired by our recent aptly themed character meet and greets, including toilet paper and hand sanitizer, along with the actual items, like the pillow and the honey bear. Yep, we're giving away everything you see on the screen right now, and all you need to do to enter is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below thanking someone. We want to spread the love, so we invite you to thank anyone, whether it be the stranger that did your contactless food delivery, or your uncle that is lifting your spirits by sending you groan-worthy dad jokes on the regular. Whatever it is, we can't wait to read your shoutouts, and we wish you the best of luck in the giveaway. Please read the video description below for all of the giveaway details, and please stay healthy and safe and be good to one another. Thank you again for watching, and remember to hug your loved ones, cherish the memories, and always continue seeking the magic.